It's been another busy week around our place, and well, it was time to unwind. So, to the beach we went. Okay, we got us a little adventure going on this morning. The Rugrats, the cats, are 8 weeks old and they're going to their first vet visit. This could be an adventure for them, not so much for me. Not 2 minutes home from the vet, and they couldn't even get past the front door and got to eat. They're 8 weeks old, spoiled rotten. I think I'm raising millennial cats. Yeah, that's it. They're millennials. It's been nothing short of cat madness around our place this past 2 weeks, as the little kittens we adored just a few short weeks ago, well, they've turned into feline teenagers. It's all eat, sleep, and play, with some serious WrestleMania thrown in. I can't say we haven't been entertained, though. They've gotten their shots and a clean bill of health at the vet, and they've successfully completed their litter box training. We've put them all up for adoption, as the local pet store who was supposed to take them went out of business last week after 38 years. So if you happen to be on island and need a cute little kitten to help you control your blood pressure, just give us a shout. Anyway, it's Sunday, and there's no better time to head to the beach than when you have good weather. Terry has workout plans. Me, not so much. She joins in on some group exercise, and then she takes to the water on her paddleboard, all while I relax in the Tropic Shade and take it all in from the skies above. Thanks to all our amazing patrons and supporters for help making this channel possible. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and MeWe for some real-time updates. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.